Hey guys, so I'm going to go through BODMAS just because it's Friday and I don't want you to go home on the weekend and think, oh, you're at home already. I don't want you to sit around on the weekend and go, oh my gosh, Miss Hodge just did not explain that. I don't get it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it another shot today as well as the problem of the week. So you're going to have 2 videos today. But this will just break it down and hopefully you guys become, pros by the end of next week. I think it'll take us a while. So before we get started, let me just go through what everything means just again. So around here on the side, I've got BODMAS written and I'm going to show you what each letter stands for. Our first B stands for brackets. Our O stands to the power of or order, but we'll use of in our classroom. Then we have division, multiplication, whoops, it's really hard for me to write, I'm just writing a bit strangely, addition, and then subtraction, okay? So basically BODMAS is the order that we do something, so it's the order that we solve a problem. Now, I'm going to show you how it works in the question over here, okay? So we need to look for our BODMAS steps. Now, looking at this equation, I know we have no brackets. So I've actually got nowhere to start. I haven't got my brackets to start with, so I'm going to have to look for the next step. Now, I have no division, but I have some multiplication. Now, what we need to remember is that division and multiplication are actually come hand in hand. They're a pair. So whichever one we see, the one that's on the left, we do first. Okay? They are equal. So we can call it BOMDAS or BODMAS. They are equal. Okay? But at this stage, we only have multiplication, so I'm going to solve those first. Okay, so I'm going to underline each one. I've got 3 times 2. I've got 4 times 10. And that's it. Okay, so first step, number 1. 3 times 2 is 6. So I'm just rewriting the equation once I've solved the first part, which was that one. Second part of the equation, or second step, 6 plus 4 times 10, which is 40, and then take away 5. Okay, can you see what I'm doing? So now I'm actually left with just addition and subtraction. I can just do the sentence in the order that it's already in, which is great. So 6 plus 40 is 46. And then I need to still take away 5. So then on my final step, my step 4, I figure out that the answer is 41. All right, so that's how we figured out that one. I did it step by step as I worked through the order of operations, okay? I'm going to do another one for us. I'm going to rub this out and I'm going to write down another equation. Okay, so the next equation I'm going to do, I'm actually going to put some brackets into it and I'm going to do 2 times 7 plus 3 times 2, take away 10. Okay, so keeping my numbers nice and simple, but I'm using lots of different operations. So we can see that our brackets is first. So that's the first thing that I need to solve. So changing my pen, step 1, I need to expand my bracket. So I need to open it up and that means I need to work out what 2 times 7 is. Lucky I already know that the answer is 14. So my 14 goes here and the bracket has disappeared. Now I'm just going to write the rest of the equation. Plus 3 times 2, take away 10. Okay? Now, if you're looking at that properly, you can see that the next part I need to solve is my multiplication, which is my 3 times 2. So I've just underlined that. So now I'm going to do the second stage. 14 plus 6, take away 10. Okay, so can you see how I did solve the multiplication part and now I've put it all together and now I've only got addition and subtraction to deal with, okay? So let me just get rid of those extra lines I just did. Now I'm on my final stage. 14 plus 6, I know is 20. So then 20, take away 10. I've almost finished my equation now. And my step 4 is finding out the answer. 20 take away 10 is 10. Okay. So guys, I broke down my equation into 4 different steps, and that's how I worked it out. I hope this makes sense. I will be doing more of these as the time goes on, and then you guys will be professionals. I'll talk to you soon.